Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how I'm reupholstering a not at all good looking bed with just $10 because that's all what I have in my budget. So here you can see I'm getting a measurement of its height and its overall length too. As you know from the thumbnail, I'm doing a panel to design. So I'll be using just regular cardboard sheets like this, then cut it out into the height which we have measured earlier. And its width is around 20 centimeter. Then I made the top part will be like the curvy, like I'm showing here. I'm not buying any extra foam for this project because getting foam is really pricey, so I will be using the fiber from an old cushion. Just we can separate it into a fluffy foam by using the hands. I'm using a crushed velvet fabric and specifically the color is lipstick pink, and that's where I spent around $10, and this is the only thing I bought for this project. Spread the foam like it will cover the cardboard panel and just make it into a flat shape. Then we can cut the fabric. I'm using hot glue to secure the fabric into the cardboard. I wanted to do this project on a very tight budget, and that's why I don't use foam. Foam is comparatively really expensive than fiber, and fiber is something you can get out of an old cushion which is laying around in your home itself. So that's where I could save some money on. Then I had to make around 25 panels like this. It will look much better if you use some foam instead of fiber, but I thought I would invest that money into buying a new bed because foam is really expensive for me and my budget is just $10. I'll be gluing on the panels into the bed. Before that, I'll be covering some of the parts which will show off on the edge. I cut out small strip of the same fabric and glue it onto the bed base. Here I'm using hot glue and attaching the cardboard panels into the bed base. I'm not using the panels on the side which comes close to the wall. It stays as it is. The bed is actually in a small room, so it will always stay next to the wall. Panels for making a headboard which actually matches with the base. To attach it to the wall, I'm using double-sided tape, and it actually hold on perfectly and will not ruin the wall. And that's actually the end of the project, and I hope it will stay for at least 1 year before I can buy a new bed for this room. Not that great, but it will work because that's all what I can do for just $10, and I hope it will help some of you guys. And that's it. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Until I see you next time, bye bye.